Last month, I picked up this publication from an internet marketer that I read all the time, and I want to share it with you. So it's called Profit Wormhole. It's the 30-day route from non-earner to potential millionaire. The original report or publication was actually written by Tony Shepard. So what I did is I bought the rights to share this with you, and I put it all in a workshop. So I took the original PDF, and it was a publication called Profit Wormhole, and I decided to provide my take on it. So the report digs deep, and let me tell you, it's packed with value for folks like us wanting to make money online. But as I read through it, I couldn't help but think there's more to say here, not in a critical way, but in a let's connect some dots and take it further kind of way, a workshop. So here's what I've done. I've highlighted the strengths of the original report. Tony's insights are solid, and I'll point out the parts that really hit home with me. I've added my own commentary where I think we can expand the conversation or add practical takeaways. I tied it all to what's working right now so you can see how it fits in today's context and your next steps. That means using a proven strategy. For example, my proven top strategy inside of affiliating, my 9-step roadmap. Of course, my proven top strategy starts with traffic to an offer and then ultimately putting people on to an email list. 9 steps that are proven to get you up here to step 9, which is to have a profitable online business and then learn how to scale that business to make more money. That's one of the key takeaways here. But my notes and my commentary are organized chapter by chapter in the appendix here in this report, and it's a PDF. You download it. And the original report stays untouched. I'm not messing with Tony's work, but my notes are here to help you dig deeper, think bigger, and get more out of this material. So let's get into it. And then it jumps into Tony's original thoughts, and I'm going to read the introduction here with you. Then I want to show you inside my workshop and then give you a chance to join me. So time is a weird thing. It's obvious to everyone except self-help gurus who think they're revealing a big secret, that we all have the same 24 hours in a day. Of course. We all know that there's only 24 hours in a day, and every single one of us gets access to those 24 hours to do with what we need to do. But it says here, yet quite obviously, some people put these hours to more effective work when it comes to making money than others because they earn more. They earn more because they focus on making money. My earning potential today is much greater than it was when I first started out as a newbie internet marketer because of what I know. Remember, these are Tony's words, but they're also my words. I'm here making YouTube videos about my journey. So my earning potential today is greater than it was when I first started in 2017 as a newbie internet marketer because of what I know. Purely because of what I know, but also purely because of what I know and the action that I take. So the action that I took, again, remember, I purchased the rights to Profit Wormhole, the 30-day route from non-earner to potential millionaire, the original publication from Tony Shepard. I purchased that and I turned it into a workshop. And inside here, inside the workshop, I have members that have joined me and we are looking at this. We're breaking it down. You can see here, I'm on day 21. Actually, I just finished up day 22. So what I do is I take notes, and on day 22, for example, I dive into the Profit Wormhole rules, and then we review those. We recap those, the 22 days or the last 21 days. And then we talked about today in day 22, missed opportunities. And then we reviewed again some key aspects or key days, cover some information about what we're going to be talking about, but really talking about what we need to do today. And then I jumped into a plan and I provided a prompt on how AI can help us do this. So then I jumped into Google Gemini, which is free, but this was the context that Tony was talking about in the report, or what I added to the report and alluding to the fact that we need to work where we're at today and with the tools that we have today. So you can see here, I just took the prompt that I gave you inside of the workshop and I said, let's create a plan to generate $1,000 a month income from a walking weight loss app through YouTube affiliate marketing. So we are targeting a walking weight loss app. So we're going to be targeting a target, and you're going to see down here, the strategy to drive traffic and conversions. It's all in here to include the type of content that we need to make, as well as how to differentiate your offer to make it unique. And we talk about this because the AI gave us this information, but this is what people want. People want to push a button on AI and have it give you the information, and it will. It does. But what you need to do is you need to come, and focus on inside of the workshop with me and the others how we're actually going to do this. So, you can see here we're on day 21 and I just showed you day 22. I've yet to post it, but each day I've added a topic in here and I put in a video and some resources for every day. And we're having a discussion. So you can see here, you can click and we have our notes, we have an assignment, we have a video, and then we actually break down and we have an actual discussion about what it is we're doing and how we're going to move forward. Or we're talking about together, right? How we're going to implement a profit wormhole, a shortcut, the 30-day route from non-earner to potential millionaire. Again, the original report from Tony Shepard, it's a PDF. I shared my thoughts, right? You get my takeaways. They're all in an appendix at the end. But first, you need to read Tony's report and you'll download the PDF. Then you'll dive into the workshop with me, right? Every day, all up to right now, day 22. But of course, day one starts with you or starts for you today when you join the workshop. There's a link in the description. I would love to have you come join me every day in the workshop and the others that are there now as we look at the report and we think about how to implement these wormhole rules, right? The profit wormhole, the shortcut you need to understand that in about 30 days, you can put together a real plan to go from non-earner to potential millionaire. And for me, that just means figuring out the things you need to do to be able to make more money than you spend, create a profitable online business, that is, make more money than you spend by creating helpful content and starting and doing it here on YouTube, just like I do right here on YouTube in the videos that I make. And I appreciate you watching. There's a link in the description. You can check it out. You can buy the PDF, but you can also get the PDF, my thoughts, and join the workshop. There's two options there for you. Link in the description. Thanks for checking out this video. And I look forward to seeing you inside that workshop. I'll talk to you then. Bye.